Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zocdoc patients, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, access your Zocdoc account by visiting their website. Use your login credentials to sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the Patients section on your dashboard. Click on Connect with Patients to explore your options. Choose the type of appointment you want to offer. This could include virtual visits, in-person consultations, or follow-ups. Set your availability for each appointment type. Ensure you indicate the days and times you can see patients. Next, customize your profile to highlight your specialties. Add a professional photo, a bio, and any certifications relevant to your practice. Once your profile is complete, focus on engaging with patients. Respond promptly to patient inquiries and appointment requests. Use Zocdoc's messaging features to communicate efficiently. Create an inviting atmosphere for new patients by being approachable. Encourage existing patients to leave reviews after their appointments. These reviews enhance your visibility on the platform. Stay active by regularly updating your availability and services. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new patients. Monitor your performance analytics provided by Zocdoc. This data can help you understand your patient engagement levels. Utilize the feedback you collect to improve your services. Regularly connect with Zocdoc support for any technical issues. Lastly, keep abreast of Zocdoc updates and features to optimize your practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.